we'll talk about other tools inside this shape tool. For example, smooth, smooth, twirl and attract and ripple, smudge and roughen, etc. So first of all, we'll click this rectangle tool and we'll draw a rectangle here and we'll put a color inside it. Now, as I told you in previous lecture, that this pick tool works for resizing the object, and also for rotating the object, and even for skewing the object like this. You can make it like that. This all things you can do using this simple pick tool, and you can resize the object as well very easily. But you cannot actually change the corners of this object using this simple tool. You cannot change the position or the shape of this rectangle basically, but you can do that with this shape tool. Just you need to click that shape tool and it will automatically be applied on this selected object. So what you can do basically, you can first of all change the whole shape. You can see the corners that has now another effect applied. So you can just click that and you can make it like an circle, like a circle. You can make it again, you can round the corners of this shape and something like that. So you can do these things with this simple shape tool. But one more important thing, you can change the color anytime. If you just right click on this object and you say convert to curves. Convert to curves mean you can just change the position of this object, but you cannot change the position of a specific node. These are the points you see here, or this object. I mean this point, and these all points. These are basically nodes. Nodes are those points which actually connects two lines. So that is called node. So basically we cannot change the position of these nodes or of these points. But if you right click this object or click this convert to curve, or you just click this option here, convert to curve, this works the same, and the shortcut for this is Control Q. You can use Control Q from your keyboard to convert this to curve. That way you will be able to change each of the points of this. Now you can see the the properties have also been changed. These are for the positions, these are basically for the height and width, and for rotating this object you can see the property here, and there are some other options. You can click them as well. They will make different kind of more shapes, and you can just specify their position, or you can increase them. And you can also, you have the some options for outline here. Anyways, but if you click right in convert to curve, now you have each point. You can change that point like this. Just you need to select the point and you can change the specific points basically using this shape tool. Very nice option over here for you. You can make any kind of shape from this now. So basically you can now use these options, and this is automatically now convert. You can actually convert this single nodes now to curve. Basically if I right click, this has already been converted to curve. If I click this one, I can just convert this to curve by right click. So you will see now it will have more options for you. You can more efficiently change its position of a specific point, and you can just again right click and delete this point, add this point, or add one more point, or delete this point, or you can change this to line, because we converted this to curve. Curve means you can use 2 points of the same point, but to line you will see like this. And after you converted this thing to curve, you will see many more options. If I select this object, you will see all of these are active. You can add nodes from here, you can delete nodes, you can join the nodes, you can break the nodes, you can do many things. You will have many options. For example, if I want to add a node over here, just I will select this area by clicking this area and we'll click add node. So you will see there is one more node added, this one I'm talking about. If I want to delete, I'll just select it and we'll click this delete option. The same thing I can just do by right clicking this thing, right clicking that point, and I will click delete, so that will be deleted. And if I click here and right click, I will add another node, and I can do that by double clicking this area, so there will be a new node. And if I want to directly delete a node, I will double click that node. This is very simple thing you can do in CorelDRAW basically, and we will use this some of the tools that we mostly use in CorelDRAW to create logos, designs and other things, and we will do in this course as well. But basically I wanted to tell you that using this shape tool you can basically change any corner of the object. You can add you can convert that to curve, basically from line to curve. You cannot change a line, but using curve you can change them. And after you convert it to curve, you will see these options which you can also use to add and delete nodes, and to join nodes, and to break nodes and things like that, which we will practically use in upcoming lectures. But in next lecture we'll actually discuss all the rest of all of the tools in next lecture. Stay tuned.